Hey guys, thanks for joining me. I know a lot of us have been having a problem with channel art and making it fit right when you upload it to your YouTube channel, and it's pretty frustrating. So I figured out a way to fix it. Okay, let me give you an example of what goes on here. I'm on a site called Photor that you can do free channel art and a bunch of other stuff with, but you can see Google's recommendations are the 2560 by, YouTube, I'm sorry, 2560 by 1440 pixels. That's what they tell you to upload an image of that size. Anything much smaller, they won't accept. Okay. Um, so I found a way to make it work. And so I'm on Photor now. I'm going to click on just a default thing. So say you have a channel that's all about fashion and you're calling it Fashion Hacks, turn spring to summer with these amazing techniques. Okay, you want that to all show up. You say you created this yourself and you spend all this time putting this together, and then you upload it to YouTube and it doesn't fit. Okay, very frustrating, right? So I'm going to show you how to fix it. Okay, here's what's going to happen. I'm going to save this as a PNG. I'm going to download it. And then I'm going to go to my YouTube. I'm going to change right here is where you change it, in case you don't know. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to select the photo that I just saved, which is right here. Let it upload. And I'm going to select that. Boom, look at there. You can see exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, so the way I figured out to fix this is to shrink this down and then save that onto a background that is the 2056 by 1440. Okay, so I found out, and you can find this in the YouTube guidelines for image sizes and artwork size. The viewable area in here that is, they call it the safe viewing area, is 1546 by 423. But if you just upload a 1546 by 423 piece of artwork up here, it's going to be white on the sides because it's not going to be big enough. So you need to make it fill up this whole thing. Okay, and it's real frustrating, but I finally figured out how to do it. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up Paint. Okay, I'm sure everybody has Paint, just simple Paint. Okay, and you can resize stuff on there very quickly. Okay, so I'm going to open this design, which is the one we just downloaded. Now I'm going to resize it. Make sure you do it by pixels and take off the unclick the maintain aspect ratio. Okay, so you can see it's showing us that this is 2560 by 1440. That's what Google wants, but it doesn't fit when you do it that way. So what we're going to put in is 1546 by 423. Okay, remember that's pixels. Okay, see, so we've resized it. Okay, so there we go. Now I'm going to save this image. I'm going to do it as a PNG. And I'm going to say new artwork. Okay, I'm saving that in my downloads. Okay, now I'm coming back to my YouTube, right? This is the original one we did, okay? Actually, you know what I've got to do? I've got to go back to Photor, I'm sorry. And we're going to pick out a background, okay? And again, I am just going to do something, sorry, new design. YouTube channel art again, okay? Select YouTube channel art. And trying to make this as quick as I can. I'm just going to pick, we'll do a black background just for demonstration purposes. Okay, now we want to import an image, and we're going to import that new artwork right here that we resized. Okay, then I'm going to click on that. Okay, and fashion hacks. Okay, and now you're going to have to play around with it just a little bit because you want to make this as big as you can without it cutting anything off. So there's, you know, a little bit of playing around you have to do to figure it out. I'm going to just make it a little bit bigger. Okay, just a little bit, and I think that'll fit. You know, it's just kind of trial and error, but it's pretty simple to do. Okay, so I'm taking that now, and I'm going to sync it. I'm going to save it. PNG. I'm going to say new artwork 2. Okay. I'm going to download that. Okay, now I'm going to go back to YouTube. I'm going to upload again. Oh, where'd that file go? There it is. New artwork 2. Okay. And I'm going to select it. Boom, there it goes. Okay. And you can see I have the black background that we chose. So you can play around with, you know, find something that you like the way it looks. But you can see now all the text is in here. All the flowers are in here. Okay. That's how you can fix it. You know, I'm sure there's probably another way to do it, but this is the only way I could figure out. Anyway, I hope this helps you get your artwork looking right. And if you did like the video, I'd really appreciate it if you'd subscribe to my channel and maybe leave me a comment and do some sharing. I do a lot of YouTube tutorial videos on my main site, YouTube with Will Rob. So anyway, really appreciate you watching, and I guess we'll see you on the other side.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.